Ansys Granta MI supports multi-body material assignments in Creo. A Windchill assembly that includes a multi-body Creo part is displayed. This part has two bodies, housing, and an overmold. The Ansys Granta MI Gateway for Creo is launched. The Creo BOM is displayed in the bottom section of the gateway window, with separate row items for the bodies. The top section is displaying a list of the user's favorite materials, ready for quick access. A set of sustainability indicators is displayed with each material, guiding the user to design with the environment in mind. To make a material assignment, the part is checked out from Windchill in the gateway user interface. The bodies have no material assignment yet. To assign a material, we can either select the CAE model to import, or we can import the basic model. In Creo, the Granta MI properties have been imported into the material definition of each body. Within Windchill, the WT part associated to the Creo body has also been updated. Returning to the gateway, the part is checked back into Windchill. Viewing the WT part's information shows that the material information is saved. The Granta Assignments tab shows that a Granta material object is related to the WT part. Clicking on the Parts Reference tab shows where else this material has been used in Windchill.